ZH Tech is an experienced manufacturer of power adapters, striving for a stable and energy-efficient product. All of our products have UL, CUL, KC, TUV,
SAA, FCC certifications.
are exported to the USA, Europe, Korea, Australia, widely used in LEDs, toys, and other electrical products. ZH has all the major production machines, including SMT, reflow soldering, and sonic pressure. More than 100 skillful production line workers. Manufacturing quality products is our top priority. Each product that we test goes through 10 different quality checks, including IQC, thermal shock, vibration, EMC, MTBF, FMEA, aging, and more. Our testing ensures that our defect rate remains under 0.2%. We promise all products are certificated, 3 to 10 days production lead time, 1-year warranty. Want a better life by electronics? We have your back.